So when you're taking notes, sometimes what happens is that some of the information might be confidential and you might want to encrypt with a password so that only you or people with the password will be able to access out the particular content. So to do that, you can select out a text right here and you can right click if you're using the Windows version of Evernote, and you can go around and click on encrypt selected text right here. Once you do that, over here it says choose a passphrase. So I'm just going to go around and say tutor tube right here, and I'm going to go around type in tutor tube over here as well. So let me just go around tutor tube. So this is what you have. You can also go around and then add in a hint right here, just in case, and you can remember the passphrase until I quit Evernote as well, so that we can simply access it. But I'm just going to go around, keep it as it is, and keep on encrypt, and you can see that that portion has been encrypted right here. You can also go around, select out the text, and if you're using the web version, you can hold Shift, Control and X on your keyboard and you get the same option right here. So over here, let me just go around and type in tutortube 2 for this one and click on encrypt right here. So once I do this, this is what you have. It's different than the one previously used right here. So I'm just going to go around and say use new passphrase right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say tutortube 2 right here. So I'm just going to go around, type in tutortube 2 right here, and I'm going to go around and say second pass right here, click on encrypt, and you can see that has been encrypted as well. So this is logged, and in order to view it, you can click on it right here and then click on the 3-dot button and reveal the encrypted content. So let me just go around, type in tutor and press reveal, and it says it's incorrect, as you can see right here. But if I were to type in tutortube 2 as I entered and click on reveal, then you can see that the content is revealed right here temporarily. So I can go around and hide the content again, and now I need to enter the passphrase once more. But if I want to reveal it permanently, you can click on this and you can click on decrypt permanently, type in the password right here and decrypt, and now you don't have the encrypt option by default anymore. You do have to manually encrypt it once more. So that is how you can go around and then encrypt out the content right here inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.